Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Themototraveler sharing my solo travel diary. I left my PG for Silkboard Metro, but realized I forgot my Metro card. Bought a token ticket to Cubbon Park instead. Got on the yellow line, changed to green at RV Road, then switched to purple at Majestic. Exited at Cubbon Park and walked down the avenue toward Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. The road was lined with grand official quarters and offices of key government leaders, so quiet and impressive. Next, I visited Veera Bhoomi. I didn't take any photos or videos here on purpose. I wanted to put the screen away and just feel the depth of the space with my own eyes. On my way back, I walked into Cubbon Park, took a broad look at the lush greenery, and soaked in the peace. Finally, I headed back to the metro station and made my way home to my PG. Simple, reflective day out.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be